Dive into English. Understanding, jump in feet first. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, jump in feet first. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery together. When we say someone jumps in feet first, we're not just talking about diving into a pool, though that image can help you remember the phrase. This idiom actually means to start something with enthusiasm and without hesitation, often without fully considering all the details or potential risks. It's about taking action and being fully committed from the very beginning. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them better. The phrase, jump in feet first, likely comes from the literal action of jumping into water with your feet touching the water first, suggesting a bold or committed entry. This contrasts with a more cautious approach, such as dipping one's toe in to test the water. It embodies a spirit of adventure and decisiveness. Now, let's look at how to use jump in feet first in everyday conversations. Here are a few examples. When Karen heard about the new project, she jumped in feet first, ready to tackle any challenge. I've never learned a language before, but I'm jumping in feet first with English. I'm excited and ready for the journey. He was hesitant at first, but once he decided to move to the new city, he jumped in feet first, finding a place to live and making new friends immediately. Using this phrase in your conversations shows that you're ready to embrace new experiences and take on challenges with enthusiasm. Learning idioms can be tricky, but they're a fun way to make your English sound more natural. Here are a few tips. 1. Context is key. Try to learn idioms in context by reading or listening to them in sentences or stories. 2. Practice makes perfect. Use new idioms in your own conversations or write them in sentences to better remember them. 3. Keep a journal. Write down new idioms you learn with their meanings and examples. This will be a great resource to refer back to. And that's a wrap on Jump in Feet First. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using this lively English phrase. Remember, learning a new language is an adventure, so why not jump in feet first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll explore more exciting aspects of the English language. Happy learning!